Does it sometimes feel like the grief never seems to leave? It's not the life you imagine for your child, yourself, or your family. The love, it's large, it's unconditional, but the daily challenges of a child with autism spectrum disorder are real. And it's a constant reminder of its impact on your child and family. It's overwhelmingly difficult. You're often feeling on the verge of breakdown and burnout, sometimes often reaching your darkest moments of despair, feeling isolated, alone, and on the verge of your very own meltdown. It's therapy after therapy, medication after medication, and nothing is working. You're feeling like you aren't getting anywhere and feeling at your wit's end. And you ask yourself, is this it? Can I not stop the struggle for my child? For just a minute, I want you to close your eyes and just imagine with me. Imagine hearing your child laugh for the first time. What does that sound like? Imagine looking across the room to see your child smiling and dancing with their siblings. What does that look like? Imagine having your child hug you, look you in the eye, and say, "I love you, Mommy," or "I love you, Daddy." What does that feel like? Imagine being able to get out of the house with your child without the daily meltdown, aggression, or anxiety. Just to be able to do something as simple as food shopping, enjoying time with family and friends, and just interacting with the outside world. What would this be like? All of this may sound menial for some, but as you know, parents with children with autism spectrum disorder, this could be everything for them, because this is quality of life. For many of these parents, this seems like a distant reality. But what if I told you that you could hold the key to unlocking your child within? Discover how medical cannabis is changing the landscape for alternative treatment options for children with autism spectrum disorder, resolving their violent outbursts, decreasing their hyperactivity and repetitive behaviors, while improving their communication. Medical cannabis is not a miracle, it's not a cure, but what I can tell you it is just pure science. What you imagined earlier is not a distant reality with medical cannabis. You can end the frustrations, the despair, the feeling of hopelessness and feeling helpless, and open that world you just imagined. Take back the power by getting the facts and getting informed to determine if medical cannabis is the right option you should explore for your child's health and well-being. Elevated Healing's course, Unlocking Your Child Within, Understanding Cannabis Options for Autism Spectrum Disorder, is your start to taking back the power. Today, you can hold the key to unlocking your child within. Thank you.